Musk. Lawyers for the DA's office said they, quote, found it hard to believe that the richest man in the world can't show up with 12 hours notice. He owns SpaceX. The judge responded, he's not going to take a rocket to Philadelphia.
Do you guys notice that everybody that goes on the Trump train, they somehow end up in legal proceedings and legal court and everything like that? Surprised they haven't went after Tulsi Gabbard. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Modern Renaissance Man. I'm Ty Smith. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to view my content. Make sure that you are following me on all the platforms you see above and below. Hitting this like button right here will allow my content, it's a thumbs up button, but it will allow my content to consistently be recommended to you. If you would do that, please, I'd appreciate it. Oh, don't forget, if you are subscribed to the channel, hit that thumbs up and bell notification. That way, when I do post videos, you will be notified. Yeah, I know I already mentioned thumbs up. I just thought I'd do it again just to kind of get on y'all nerves a little bit because I know y'all tired of hearing this intro. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you know that they came after Elon Musk because Elon Musk, to get people to get out and vote, Elon Musk put together a contest pretty much. That if you go and sign these petitions and things like that of the sort, he said he's going to be giving out $1 million up to tomorrow, or maybe it was ended today. I do not know. I just know that it was going to be over the course of maybe 10 plus days of every day. Someone was going to be awarded $1 million for going in and doing a petition and, you know, all that good stuff, right? So, of course, just like anything else, I think Elon Musk may have tweeted this before, that he knew that they were going to come after him some way, somehow. But this guy would not, in my opinion, Elon Musk would not make any moves without being extremely calculated. Like, I think look what he did with Twitter. They couldn't get all those big head Mongols to go after him and sue him, the titans of lawyers. So now in this particular case, I'm pretty sure Elon Musk had all the advice, all the research he needed before he did a move like this. I don't think this was just something spontaneous, right? So anyway, they came after Elon Musk and it didn't work.
Welcome back. Elon Musk was a no-show in court this morning in Pennsylvania. Philadelphia's DA is suing Musk, arguing that his $1 million a day giveaway to registered voters in the Keystone State is nothing more than an illegal lottery he's using to try and essentially bribe voters to help the Trump ticket. Brian Yennis is outside the courthouse in Philly. Brian, what happened in court today?
Jillian, good afternoon. Well, lawyers for Philadelphia's District Attorney Larry Krasner were not happy that Elon Musk was a no-show in court today. Musk's lawyers said this, quote, he's a very busy man who can't just materialize and appear at any notice. Lawyers for the DA's office said they, quote, found it hard to believe that the richest man in the world can't show up with 12 hours notice. He owns SpaceX. The judge responded, he's not going to take a rocket to Philadelphia. As for the hearing itself, the case is being moved to federal court.
On mischief night, Elon Musk and his PAC, Ameripac, filed legal papers to have the case removed from this court to federal court, and we will proceed to federal court and we will address the issues there and seek to have the matter remanded back to the state court.
Philly's DA Larry Krasner filed a civil lawsuit Monday trying to immediately stop Elon Musk from giving out $1 million to one lucky registered voter a day in battleground states like right here in Pennsylvania. The sweepstakes is meant to galvanize support for former President Trump. Krasner said the giveaways run by Musk's pro-Trump super PAC is nothing more than an illegal lottery and it violates consumer protection laws. He also called it a threat to a free and fair election. Musk's lawyers called Krasner's lawsuit a publicity stunt. Now, this is just the latest legal battle in Pennsylvania, where Fox polls show a virtually tied race among both registered and likely voters for Harris and Trump. And it shows that the Senate race here is neck and neck. Republican candidate Dave McCormick is now within just 2 points of Senator Bob Casey after being down 9 points a little over a month ago. Jillian, bottom line is both presidential campaigns view Pennsylvania Pennsylvania's 19 electoral votes as a must-win, and they are really going back and forth here trying to stop any perceived advantages or disadvantages in what could be a very long legal battle here pre- and post-election. Jillian.
All right, Brian Yanis in Philly for us this afternoon. Thank you.
Yeah, look at that. Look, just a crushing blow, wasn't it? It was just a crushing blow to that poor lawyer. He reminded me of the guy that played the father in American Pie. Y'all know him talking about. I don't know his name. Y'all know who it is, though. So now because of this, and they're feeling butthurt over this particular situation, what do? They want to take it to federal court, right? Which we may not hear anything about this again till after the election. We may not hear anything about it at all. So if they were to do something like this, what's going to be the worst case scenario? Huh? Oh, Elon Musk, you got to go take back all $10 million for those people. And we're going to fine you that and then take the $10 million from you. But at the same time, the comment that I made at the beginning, folks, y'all have no idea. I didn't cover it, but RFK joined the Trump train. They went after him. They made him stay on the ballot. They went after him. He was in court, not nearly as much as Trump was, but he was in court. Elon Musk joins Trump. They try to find things where Elon Musk tried to see, did he really actually get a green card? Is he really did he really get naturalized here? Is he really a U.S. citizen like he claimed he is? They went after Elon Musk the same way. Look what they did to Trump, in and out of jail, mug shots, showing up to court, accused of this, accused of that. He's a felon. He's a convicted felon. Look what he did, all of that. And like I mentioned, I'm surprised they haven't done it to Tulsi Gabbard yet. But don't be surprised if they do. Anyway, folks, I just want to bring this to light because I want to show you how it's strange that when you jump on a Trump train and they see which way that you're voting or who you're supporting, somehow, some way, they seem to come after you. And if you don't know this, I may not show the video, but it's plain. You can go on my channel and you can see it. They came after me. All of a sudden, video exploded of me at a school board meeting. It goes worldwide, 80-something million views total, right? Next thing I know, I'm being put on a domestic terrorist list. No flight list. For what? You know what I'm saying? So guys, this thing does exist. It's out there. And it's amazing and it's interesting that when you actually speak up and speak out and you speak out against evil, and you all about pushing righteousness, oh, they know who to come after, which I ain't going to get into it. It just tells you why some churches aren't being touched right now because you're doing exactly what they want you to. Nevertheless, folks, like I said, I just wanted to throw this out there just to show you guys what's going on because I'm pretty sure this is something that's not going to be covered. Another win for Elon Musk in this particular case. What are you guys' thoughts on this? Do you think that it was some shape, form, or fashion of bribery? I mean, be honest. Do you think it's just a way of just to motivate them to come? I mean, at least he's not paying for people to come there. Like he's not paying them to get on buses and come to these Trump campaigns. I'm like, somebody's doing. I just want to know what you guys' general thoughts are on this. Elon Musk, congratulations on this. And I guess they might see you in federal court or you might not be there. Y'all, before I get out of here, you hear what that judge said? Don't expect Elon Musk to get on a rocket ship and fly here. I mean, that was kind of like a troll moment right there. Anyway, before y'all do get out of here, make sure you guys do what you see in this cloud right here, if you would, please. All right. The next video that I would do in chronological order is going to be up here. Things that I do as a variety on this channel will be right here. I am Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, hoping and praying that every last one of you have food, shelter, and clothing. And most of all, I pray every last one of you guys are in great health mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. God bless you all through Jesus.